Welcome to 4alarmclocks.com. Today we're looking at the Equity by Crosse metal quartz analog alarm clock in brushed silver casing. This clock features accurate quartz movement, a real glass lens, a lighted dial on demand, an ascending alarm, a 4-minute repeating snooze, of course a brushed silver metal casing. It only needs one AA battery that'll last you about a year, and as you can see, it's a very nice compact clock. Just to give you an idea of the size of it, I'm going to go ahead and just hold it in my hand. It's sturdy, it's durable, and what we're going to do now is we're going to show you how the lighted dial works and let you hear the alarm. Okay, the lighted dial is simple. You just push the button, hold it in, and you get light in a dark room. Also, when the alarm goes off, you just push the button and it'll stop the alarm, which we're going to now let you hear.